Now I am going to take you through the grammar right from the beginning up to now. So whatever we have learned so far, I am going to give it to you in short. So the first concept was les déterminants s'accordant en nombre et en genre. So this means the articles. So what are the articles we learnt? Les articles définis, les articles indéfinis and les articles partitifs. So the definite articles, the indefinite articles and the partitive articles. So do you remember what are the definite articles? They are le, la and le. So la indicating masculine singular, la indicating feminine singular and le indicating the plural form. Then les articles indéfinis. So the indefinite articles, do you remember? It is un, une and they. Similarly, un, masculine singular, une, feminine singular and they is plural. Les articles partitifs. So it was du, de la, del apostrophe and de. So these were the partitive articles. However, when a sentence is in the negative form, the partitive article is the, only de. For example, j'achète j'achète 2 kilos de tomates. Or j'achète, I'll make it simple for you, un rope. So now this sentence, the article here is the indefinite article. When we make this negative, je n'achète pas de rope. So in the negative form, the article, the partitive article becomes the. So that is one thing you need to remember in the concept of articles. So what was the next concept we learned? It was the adjectives. So if you remember, there are many different types of adjectives. So shall we see what they were?